Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the account and payment details because most blocks come from mismatched info. Sign into the exact account used for the purchase, then open payment settings and confirm card expiration, billing address, and CVV. Once done, clear any pending balances or unpaid subscriptions that could lock purchases. Make sure you also briefly restart the app or device to force settings to refresh. This avoids wasted retries and surfaces the real error rather than a cached one. Next, focus on session and network issues that commonly trigger the message. Force quit the app and relaunch to clear a hung session. Then test the purchase on both Wi-Fi and cellular because captive networks can block validation. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode or restart the device to renew network and DNS. Sign out of the account and sign back in, if necessary. Uninstall and reinstall the app so cached auth tokens are removed and a fresh validation can run. Finally, escalate methodically if self-help fails and prepare concise evidence so support can act quickly. You should gather transaction ID, timestamps, device model, and screenshots of the error, then contact the platform's payment or app support and request manual validation or a refund. While waiting, try an alternative payment method or create a temporary payment token. If support asks, allow up to 24 hours for account sync before retrying. As a tip, clear caches and reboot one more time if the error persists.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.